POV. You get an Indian helicopter.
Natural air condition free.
Air condition.
Oh,
Where-
it's a helicopter.
Where's the
Helicopter,
where's the air condition here?
See, this is the air condition.
Ah, okay.
How long do we need to go to synagogue? It's 2 kilometers. 2 kilometers. How much is it on price? 80 rupees. 80 rupees. Okay, I think that's a good price
For church?
for the Jewish area, right?
Yeah.
Let's go. You see, guys, AC, light, disco, helicopter, everything together. Then
What's your name, my friend?
Lazar.
Okay, very nice.
Let's go in the helicopter,
Helicopter
guys.
driver, guys.
Where is this here?
Okay.
What? Oh, no spices, huh? My friend? My friend? No, no. We want to go to the Jewish area, you guys said.
It's nice.
But we don't want spices. We don't want spice.